How to overlay in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add overlay in the CapCut through PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your desktop. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply import the original video right here. And now here, once you have imported the video, simply drag the original video to the timeline. And here, once you have uploaded the original video clip, simply import the video or image that you want to overlay. So here for this, I'm going to simply click on import again. And there, I'm going to simply add the video that I want to overlay. Now here, once you're done setting the original video clip, simply drag and import the video clip that you want to overlay in that particular video. So here, simply drag it upward on the original video clip, and here you can adjust the video clip according to the needs like this. And here, let's crop it to its needs. Let's say I want to crop it just above here. Okay. Now, what am I gonna do is simply add this overlay to the video. And here, as you can see, the video has been overlaid. And that's it. That's how you can overlay the video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.